The new GEC Online Virtual Classroom is a great new tool designed specifically for teachers who want more audio control in their distance learning classroom environments. Unlike other video conferencing platforms, there is no software or app to download. The GEC Online gives teachers an easy-to-navigate dashboard to access all their classes and class recordings, edit classroom settings, and launch classes. Students love the GEC Online because it's the only platform that creates a landing page for each classroom that is static and can be visited to log into classes and view recorded sessions on demand, all without making a personal account. The GEC Online gives you all the features you expect, with complete control over the audio in your online classroom. The lock feature allows the teacher to select what is seen and heard in each classroom with ease. Simply click on Manage Users and select Lock Viewers. Here, you can customize the audio and video in your room. Now you can select students to apply these changes to. Other features like polling and whiteboard make pop quizzes and students' interaction easy and fun. Take attendance by saving usernames. With the Breakout Rooms feature, you can teach in up to 8 small groups for student collaboration. Randomly assign lets students choose or organize the groups how you want them. Students return to class automatically when the time is up or when you click the End All Breakout Rooms button. Visit us online to learn even more great features and be more in control of your classroom. Free for a limited time for existing GEC Lab System customers. So sign up today at gec.korg.com.